In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in a Power BI table, step by step. If you've been looking to enhance your data visuals with eye-catching images, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process. First things first, open your Power BI desktop application. If you're new to Power BI, you might want to familiarize yourself a bit with its interface, but don't worry, we'll keep things simple. Now, once you have the application open, the next thing you need to do is import your data. What's important here is ensuring that your dataset includes links to the images you want to incorporate into your table. These could be URLs that point directly to the images hosted online, so make sure those links are accessible and correct. Now that you have your data imported into Power BI, let's move on to adding a new table. This step is really crucial because it's essentially the canvas where your images will be displayed alongside your data. In Power BI, tables give you a structured way to present information, and with the images, it takes on a whole new dimension. After adding the table, you'll notice on the right-hand side of your screen, there's a field list. If you've successfully imported your data with photo links, you'll find a photo label or column name in that list. Go ahead and locate it. The presence of this label confirms that Power BI recognizes the URLs as the image data points. The following step involves simply dragging that photo label into the column section of your new table. This action will allow Power BI to pull those images directly into the table, providing a more visually compelling dataset. You'll start to see those images fill out the designated spots in your table, making it more engaging and informative. If you're prompted to enter your email at any point, it's usually for registration purposes or to ensure that you can receive updates on how Power BI is enhancing your experience. Don't worry, this is a standard practice that keeps your work and profile up to date. Moving forward, let's configure some page settings. This is about optimizing your workspace to best suit how you want the data and images to be viewed. Adjusting these settings ensures that everything is aligned as intended and that the visuals are clear. After managing your page settings, the next step is to set the canvas type. This refers to how your entire layout will be presented, whether in widescreen, standard, or a customized format. Choose whatever fits best with your data presentation and display preferences. Lastly, you might want to adjust the page view. This step gives you control over how much of the canvas you see at one time, so whether you want to zoom in for more detail or zoom out for an overview, this feature is your friend. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on adding images to your Power BI table. Remember, visuals not only support your data, but also make it more engaging. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and happy visualizing!